Hey guys, it's Catfish, back with another video. And on today's video, man, I'm back out in Barrington at the All-European show, man. This the last one of the season. Man, it's cold as hell out here. But yeah, we out here. So I'm gonna give you, check that out. 500, boy. Right off the bat, guys. 500 bins right off the bat, man. Listen. Yeah, I'll see this. There's a lot of stuff out here. Got a new BMW. New BMW with the ugly face. Look at this. Look what he doing. He ain't gonna never forget this as long as he live. Look at this. He let him start it up and everything, man. That's what we do, people. We just caretakers of these cars, man. A lot of people won't let you sit in them, won't let you touch them. This a rare car right here, too, man.
Awesome. It's my dream car, too.
Y'all see this?
It took me a long time. All right, cheers.
Man, this thing is stupid clean, guys. He just let the young man start it up and everything, man. That's crazy, man. This is what we do. Beautiful car. Jeez. Y'all know what this is. This is a Porsche Speedster, y'all. Come on, man. Come on, man. Porsche S. Come on, man. Beautiful car. Beautiful car. It's a good turnout, but it's cold as hell out here, guys. My hand's cold. Audi truck. A lot of Audis, BMWs, all European guys. Look at this thing right here. Woo. Look at the engine. Woo. 32,000. That's what he want for it. Y'all see it. Carbon fiber everywhere. This thing is nasty, boy. I like it. Yeah, we gonna do some walking. It's a pretty big turnout for it being cold as it is.
It is cold.
Yeah, it's cold. Another Audi. BMW. Look who old girl's sitting next to. AMG GT Black Series. Come on, man. Can't make this up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Another BMW. Look at that picture. Caption that right there. Yes, sir. Got another 500. Look at that 500 you just saw. You don't even see these. Yep. See them player frienders? Yes, sirski. Yeah, he was here at the last one. I think I got him. Rare car, man. Rare car. But look at this Porsche right here. Come on, man. 77 Targa. Original color. Look at this. This thing is gorgeous. Manual. Come on, man. This thing is beautiful. Yep. Yeah, we're gonna walk down here a little ways. Yeah, guys, I'm at the All-European show at the Arboretum in Barrington. Let's give y'all a quick little walk around because it is cold and a bear's behind out here. Whew. Yes, sir. The other old Benz. E55. Look, that's a rare color too. I like that color. Look at this.
A couple minutes ago.
That's nice.
Turn left at the roundabout.
Yep. This old BMW with the Borbit wheels on it. Come on, man. The last time you see some Borbit wheels. Woo, that's crazy. Look at this. Ooh, I love these Audis. These Audis nasty. Got another 500. See the flare fenders? Y'all can tell it's a 500. Yep. Gotta say, guys, a good turnout for it to be cold as it
Next
is.
Saturday, right? Yeah, next
Look at
Saturday.
this. Another BMW. Another one. Another one. Oh, this car is rare. This is my buddy's car right here. Look at this guy. This thing, guys, this thing right here, man. He been on my channel several times. Look at this car. This car is crazy. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Z3. Hey guys, he an OG like me too. What's up, man?
How you been?
Brought it out, huh?
I see you every place.
Yeah, I try. I'm like you, man. Man, tell my viewers a little bit about the car real quick.
Oh, it's a 1999. It was actually assembled in 98. And it's a very rare car. It's an auto coupe, and they only made 600 of them.
Okay.
And actually, this is the only one they ever made in Montreal blue metallic.
Oh, wow.
With a black on black interior.
Okay.
And the other thing is, it's got a dealership installed accessory upgrade to it.
Okay.
That's the rear spoilers, the side vents, and tires and rims.
Okay.
So with all that combinations, it makes it a pretty rare car.
Guys,
Yeah.
it's gorgeous. I met him a couple years ago at I don't forgot where we was at, but the cars, man, phew, y'all see it? Gorgeous. Can I open the door?
Yeah.
Guys, you got to see the inside of this car. I had to ask people. This is his car. It ain't mine.
Yeah.
Look at this.
All original.
Oh, and it got a sunroof too. I didn't even know that.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at it. Look. It's a look. I didn't even know it had a sunroof. Gorgeous. It's rare too.
Yeah.
Yep. He got signs made for it and everything, man. All right, man. Good seeing you again. Woo, look at this. This is an 850 or a 750. It's one of them. It's nasty though. I like it. Look at this wagon, man. These wagons making a serious comeback. And it sounds good too. Look at this thing. Oh, that's nasty. Got a Boxster. They coming in, man, and it's cold out here too. My hand's cold in the mud. BMW. Oh, we got another AMG GT pulling in. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Come on, man. Oh, I like the color on this. Look at the color. I love the color on that car. That's pretty. Got another wagon. A lot of Audis in a row. Another one. Yeah, guys. It's a quick little video. Another Porsche. Oh, this is a Spider. Boxster Spider. Thing sound good too. It's got a nice exhaust, a pretty blue. Another Audi. Look at the color on. Look at the color on this purple. Ooh, this is pretty. With the carbon fiber roof. Man, dude, I like this. Anarchy wheels. He ain't playing. This color is gorgeous, man. RS. Oh, this the E-tronic. Okay. Y'all see it? Nice, nice. I love that color though. That color. He ain't playing. But it got carbon ceramic brakes on it too. That's really nice. Really nice. Different. Got another BMW, man. Look. We got another E500. That's another one. Might be the same one I shot. No, this is a different one. This boy clean too, man. Look at this. Ooh, you don't even see these cars, man.
No, not anymore.
3 of them here.
Yeah, there's
Three of them.
across the way.
Yeah, boy. This is nasty right here. It's clean. Ooh, y'all see it? E500, boy. Ooh, they sound good too. Yes, sir. I like that. That one right there is. I like that one. That's nasty. We're gonna walk down this side because, guys, I gotta leave in a little while. Going to the Mecum auction today. Got that ugly face. I don't like that face. Nice Porsche. Got another Porsche. This is the Porsche alley right here. A lot of Porsches. Got the little. This color though, man. I like that. That's nice. Yeah, guys, it's a lot of cars out here. A lot of cars. I gotta let you guys see this BMW with this wrap on it. Then I gotta get me some nourishment, man. Look at this wrap, guys. Gold BMW, boy, that thing will blind you. Yes, sir. And South European show, and look, the SS Camaro crashed the party, man. Come on, man. Really? I got another Benz right there. Yes, it's a couple of cars that crashed the party, man. Hey guys, we're gonna walk over here and see what's on this side. We're gonna walk over this way. This is an old truck that ain't supposed to be here, but it's here. Yeah, guys, that's crazy. It's a lot of European cars. There's a lot of people showed up today, man, and it's cold. My hands are cold. Look at this old, what is this? Oh, this old Volvo. That's nice. That's nice. Old Volvo. Then you got a Chevy that ain't supposed to be here. Got another BMW. Oh, we got a McLaren sighting. Look at this blue. This blue is gorgeous, man. Ooh. It's a first gen McLaren. Look at the inside. Carbon fiber everywhere on the inside, man. That ain't nasty. Yeah. I like that. Love the color though. The color is outstanding. Look at that color with the contrasting seats. Yeah, this boy nice. Carbon ceramic brakes, as you know. Yep, active aero. Got a AMG GLA. Volkswagen, Porsche. Oh, there's a few more on this side. Let me go over here and get these. Then we're gonna wrap this little short video up. Oh yeah, another Audi. Couple of them. Ooh, look at this one. This one got some stuff done. Ooh. Oh, they got 2 turbos on there. Okay, I see you. Got another Audi. Got another BMW over there. Yep. Got a nice Benz over here. This is 300 4MATIC. I'll see 300 4MATIC. It's pretty decent. Woo, look at that. The Audis are taking over, man. That's a beautiful color. Sound good too. All right, guys. That's gonna do it for this edition of Catfish Corner. Out in Barrington at the All European Show. I just wanted to bring you a look, some of the cars that's here. And we're gonna wrap this up. And just like that, this video is over. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.